Ciao, I'm Ernia, the founder and label manager of Southern Glow Rec.
Hello guys, I'm Simone Bertoletti, alias Trigon.
Hi, Andrea, aka Krell.
Hello, this is Jacopo Albini, also known as Michael Cracker.
Hello, I'm Fabio, aka Bipolar.
In this video, with also the other artists from Southern Glow Rec, we will answer to some questions. Unity for me means harmony. We are many energy with so much potential and we squander it. But when we become aware of our power, we can share it and harmonize it with others, creating a single powerful symphony. Like an orchestra, many instruments, each one has its own characteristic, intensity, speed, but together they all sound good. Unity is like an orchestra.
The first theme that I want to talk about are the collaborations, especially musical collaborations. I think that connecting with people is already something magical. Moreover, in an artistic situation such as composing music, in this case electronic music, that is a very personal stuff, is part of a personal growth in an artistic and first of all a human way, collaborating. Thanks for it, in my case, I expose myself to new approaches and techniques that I never thought would work with my flow, with my stuff, with my decisions, etc. And I would have never reached a certain higher level that I struggled to reach, thanks to collaborations also. Instead, the second theme that I want to talk is the connection to people, thanks to music. For me, it's a very personal cause. Thanks to a party in my city 4 years ago, I met the person that became my daughter's mother. And maybe without that party, without that music party, I would have never had the opportunity to meet her, because she comes from another city. And she came just for the music, no? You know, the connection is something pure magic. The magic is for everybody. Exploit it, please.
I think that this project has a good potential, a desire to build harmony, to create something beautiful and useful together. The people, the souls who brought this project to our attention have transmitted really this contagious spirit well. And now we are here. Let's go!
So about the importance of mental health in the Psytrance community, I would like to highlight the fact that a Psycare equipe makes a really huge difference between an unsuccessful or a successful party, because it's a very important topic that shouldn't be underestimated, especially in our parties. I think that the Psytrance community could be even more open to the newcomers. Please, DJs, label manager, organizers and promoters of the parties and the festival, look for the new generations, because they are going to take the torch and continue the journey.
I think that the Psytrance community is already in a very good place about inclusion, but this should bring us to do even better every day. So we should focus to a single action that can cost us nothing, but can make a big difference. We should have more empathy with other people, with all our action, and this can make us even stronger in the coming future, both as a community and also as individual beings.
In my life, for me, the environment sustainability and the respect for the environment are fundamental aspects of the human existence. I believe that each of us should commit ourselves every day to respecting the planet we inhabit. For me, the Pulse of Unity is a good example of a community focused on the well-being of the individuals who live in it, and honestly I believe it is an excellent model for the entire world to follow.
And the suggestions I want to give to all emerging artists are to never stop studying and to never stop to questioning themselves, because all artists need to find the message they want to transmit with their music. This is very, very important in all kind of art if you want to be unique. I also think that collaborate is a very good thing because you can teach and learn in the same time. The growth you can have is exponential, and also you can spend some time with pleasure with a friend and other people that share the same passion with you.
Okay, the first piece of advice is to practice the art of patience. Don't rush, work hard, study, go out and see the world, listen to music, go on the dance floor, leave the dance floor, research, but above all, have patience. Music needs its time. It is dictated by our internal need. Listening to yourself. This practice helps you bring out the best and stay grounded. And above all, remember, first of all, have to fun. And don't forget your roots, okay?